Maruti Suzuki Eeco Van 9-seater 2025 is a practical and budget-friendly multi-purpose vehicle designed for both commercial and personal use. The 2025 model brings reliability, efficiency, and affordability, making it a preferred choice for business owners, transport services, and large families. This van continues to offer a spacious cabin, high ground clearance, and low maintenance costs, ensuring great value for money. The exterior design of the Eeco remains simple yet functional, featuring a boxy structure that maximizes interior space. It has a high roof line, sliding doors for easy passenger entry and exit, and a sturdy build. The front gets a minimalistic grille, halogen headlamps, and a clean bumper design. The overall look is focused on practicality rather than luxury, making it an ideal choice for utility purposes. The 2025 model may include subtle cosmetic updates while retaining its signature no-nonsense appeal. Inside, the Maruti Suzuki Eeco 9-seater offers a basic yet comfortable cabin with ample legroom and headroom for all passengers. The seating arrangement is designed to accommodate more people without compromising too much on comfort. The seats are covered with durable fabric, and the dashboard is kept simple with essential controls. The instrument cluster is functional, providing necessary driving information. The van is expected to include basic features like manual air conditioning, a digital speedometer, and a standard music system. Safety features such as seat belts for all passengers, child lock, and a high-mounted stop lamp are included for better security. Under the hood, the 2025 Eeco is powered by a reliable 1.2-liter K-series petrol engine that delivers around 80 horsepower and 104 Nm of torque. This engine is known for its efficiency and durability, making it suitable for long-term use. The van is available with both petrol and CNG options, with the CNG variant offering better fuel economy, making it a cost-effective choice for businesses and commercial use. The 5-speed manual transmission ensures smooth gear shifts, and the rear-wheel drive system provides stability even when the van is fully loaded. Maruti Suzuki is known for its fuel-efficient vehicles, and the Eeco continues that tradition with an impressive mileage of around 16 to 20 km/L, depending on the fuel type and driving conditions. The suspension system consists of McPherson struts at the front and a leaf spring setup at the rear, offering a balance between comfort and load carrying capacity. The van is equipped with disc brakes at the front and drum brakes at the rear for adequate stopping power. With a fuel tank capacity of approximately 40 liters, the Eeco is capable of covering long distances without frequent refueling. The high ground clearance allows it to tackle rough roads and speed breakers with ease, making it a practical choice for urban and semi-urban areas. One of the biggest advantages of the Eeco is its affordability and low running costs. Spare parts are easily available, and maintenance is relatively cheap compared to other vehicles in its segment. Maruti Suzuki's extensive service network ensures that owners can find service centers almost anywhere in India. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Eeco 9-seater is expected to be priced competitively, making it one of the best options for those looking for a spacious, reliable, and cost-effective van for daily use.